In TCS, among three friends, the yearly salary of Prakash is 20% more than Jason's salary, and Jason's salary is 10% less than Durai's. If the difference between the monthly salaries of Prakash and Durai is 6,000, find the salary of Jason. So here there are three people and their salaries are compared. So the first comparison is made between Prakash and Jason. And what is given? Prakash is getting 20% more than that of Jason. So for example, if Jason is gonna get 100 rupees as his salary, what will Prakash get? 20 more, which means 120 rupees, right? Now simplify. This would become 6 and this would become 5. The ratio between the salaries of Prakash and Jason is 6:5. The second comparison. Jason is getting 10% less salary than Durai. So if Durai is getting 100 rupees, how much will Jason get? 10% lesser than Durai, which means 90 rupees. If we simplify this, the ratio between the salaries of Jason and Durai is 9:10. Now, they've said that the difference between the salaries of Prakash and Durai is 6,000. But do we have a comparison and ratio between Prakash and Durai? No. So, observe these two cases. We can clearly see that Jason is a common person in both the comparisons. So, what we can use is, we'll see a very simple ratio trick called as three-way ratios. Okay. In this trick, we are just going to keep the common element in the middle. In this case, the common element is, of course, Jason. So Prakash and Jason's ratio is 6:5 and Jason and Durai's ratio is 9:10. Now, in order to find out a comparison between Prakash and Durai, we'll try to find out a comparison between all the three. How to find out this? Very simple. Use a trick called as Z method. What is the Z method? Just multiply these two terms. 6 9s are 54. And then the second line, 9 5s are 45. 5 10s are 50. So as you can see, this will look like a Z method. Right? Now the ratio between Prakash and Jason and Durai is given as 54:45:50. Now this is the basic ratio comparison between them in terms of salary. Now what do we know? The difference in salary between Prakash and Durai is 6,000 and the same difference in salary in terms of ratio would be just 4 parts. If 4 parts of salary difference is equivalent to 6,000, what is going to be the salary value for one part? That is going to be 1,500, right? And how much parts of salary is Jason getting? And it's clear that he is getting 45 parts of salary. So 45 times 1,500 and that is equivalent to 67,500 is what is the salary of Jason.